Hello there and welcome back to the web video series. In this video series we are going to discuss about programming our selling history page. So we talked about the front end in our previous video. So in this video we are going to discuss about programming the back end. So we are using PHP obviously to program the back end by simple functions, variables and other types of data. So we are using a lot of data, so we have to input the invoice ID and we have to be able to search from date to another date, and the find button should be pressed to filter within all those data. So we are going to talk about all of these, and we are going to talk about how we are getting the data to our table. In our previous video also we discussed it. Since it's mandatory for us to create this in a video, we are repeating what we had said earlier. So now we are getting the user data from here. So we have used the connection.php and we are getting the user email, and using the user email we are getting all the other data. So we are getting the total quantity of the sellings, and then once we can see whether the order has been confirmed, or it's under packing, or whether it has been dispatched or shipping or delivered. So if the product is delivered, you will receive a red color button which is disabled within our table. Otherwise we will receive a white space where we should receive that button. If the order is confirmed, we will get a green button, and if the order is under packaging, we will have a yellow button, and if it is under dispatching, we will have a light blue button. Now let us have a look at the other things as well. Now we are going to talk about the pagination section. So we have programmed it to get all the data to each page, and then we are taking only the relevant number of data for each page. So we discussed about the pagination in our other videos as well. So this part is the JavaScript side, and we are taking everything through an AJAX request. So if it is in the packing state, we are changing the data in our database, so it refreshes the page and gives us the real-time data. And then we have a function that is called, that is the search invoice ID. So let's have a look at that function as well. So we are taking the data from the HTML website, and then we are sending it to the view area. So we'll be using the in HTML, and we'll be printing the response text into that, and then we will be sending it through the search invoice process.php, and then mainly we require the connection.php from our database. So from here we get the invoice data, and then we show each and everything within the invoice process. So we have stopped our PHP in the middle, and we have included some HTML parts so that we can send it to the HTML side. So next we are getting the invoice ID, product, buyer, amount and quantity. So we have made it as a table. So we have made it using divs, and now we are displaying each and everything after getting everything from our database. So it's a pretty easy and straightforward thing to do after we get everything from the database. So everything should be displayed in its place, so we have used a few divs and HTML tags to make this possible. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.